face. Can't be unseen. I'm trying to make a video in here. Okay, what I was trying to say before, rudely interrupted, is, yep, now you see my face. Can't be unseen. Face for real at 1,000. Thank you very much for all the support, you guys, over the years. But special thanks to, I guess we got a special thanks to Hippodrones, Mr. Fish, and Lamb Chops. Anyone else I'm forgetting in that list? Maybe. Oh, Spicy as well. Spicy. Yeah. They've done a little bit of exposure to the channel. I know Spicy's done quite a lot with his nuts. Don't know where they are now. Someone could do a retrospective video on that, perhaps. But yeah, I'm just here in my shed. I was starting to work on something behind me. It's a bit out of focus. Maybe I should just rotate this lens around. Oh, what's that? Oh, you see that? No, you didn't. Anyway, well, I'm out of focus now. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Just a quick video to say thanks for 1,000, and I'm working on a very special video for you guys, which has taken me quite a long time to edit because I've had to go through about 7 years of footage. And I'll bring that video out shortly. My camera is a bit wet. Anyway, that's it. Yeah, catch you soon. Ciao.